Here I just have a little demo of my revamped PC setup. I changed it a little bit, liked it a lot, so I thought I'd show everybody. Here we have my G502 and K70 Lux keyboard. Very nice couple of peripherals. Here's my desktop, has an 8700K and a 1080 Ti. Pretty decent as far as computers go, but moderate for a high-end PC. Here's another view on that, just to see kind of the lighting I have in there. It's my Audio-Technica MX M50X. I did have to isolate my mic cable because the power from my PC was messing with it a lot. There's an overview, just get kind of the feel for it. I have a couple of shelves up top with a couple of things I like. Just a good little demo for those. My keyboard does have a MX Blues from Cherry in them. Thanks for watching. I spent a good little bit of work on this and I just was excited to show it off, so here it is. Thank you.